Hello there. In this video, I am going to talk about Form 5 of lightsaber combat. And there are actually two different variants of it. Djem and shien. Djem is what Anakin Skywalker and Lord Vader used. Some other practitioners of Form 5, but because I mentioned Anakin Skywalker. Can't talk today. I mentioned Anakin because he was a natural Form 5 practitioner. So anyway, Form 5, or at least Djem is based on heavy swings and power dominance and dueling and all that crap, while shien was focused on deflecting blaster bolts. So Form 5, or at least the Djem variant of Form 5, the form that Anakin Skywalker used. This is what it was. I'm just going to do a basic demonstration of what it, or how to do it. Swing as hard as you possibly can. It's very physically taxing. Even more physically taxing than Ataru. If you don't know what Ataru is, it's Form 4 of lightsaber combat. And it's the form that Grandmaster Yoda used. I'm going to do some of the moves I know for Djem. Also going to do the stance. This is the stance right here. You can hold it like this. Don't hold it like this. Just hold it on your side like that. If you really want to do it, you can hold it above your head like that. Don't do it like this. Do it kind of like on your side. Anyway, though, I'm going to spin it now. This is a very beautiful lightsaber, I know. Anyway, yeah. I'm just going to do some of those I've done in my previous videos. These are just moves from other lightsaber forms. I'm going to do them anyway. I know over Sunday, let me do it again. Throw it backwards. And kind of do the reverse grip type shit. Anyway, yeah, there you go. This is a judo stance, but yeah. My next video, I'm going to reveal a new yet another suit of cardboard armor that I did. And one of the helmets I did, if you remember a while back, and if you're a long time subscriber, you'll remember that I posted a video of a blue helmet, or I made a blue fighter pilot helmet with big ass earphones on the side, or earpieces, and a blast shield on the top of the helmet. And yeah, there you go. Anyway, though, there you go. I'm just going to do one more move with Djem, then I'm going to stop the video. It's called power jump. You gotta jump and then swing. Simple move, but quite unbreakable. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. My shirt says, I am the Senate, if you can't tell. And yeah, there you go. See you next. I'm Reverend Skywalker, and that was my Form 5 of lightsaber combat talk, or lecture. An update from our next video. See you next time. Bye.